Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about hair loss and rice water. Hair loss and rice water. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. It is like this. Hair loss is a common problem which affects women, but many women don't like to admit it. Every woman like to have a shiny and a blacky hair. And many people or many women, they have used different hair treatments or shampoos, but they have not worked for them. So now is the time to think about rice water. So in this video, I'm going to explain how rice water help prevent hair loss, and how can you make rice water. First of all, how can you make rice water? It's like this. You take 1 cup of rice. After taking 1 cup of rice, you keep it in the water. When you keep it in the water, you wait to stay until for about 30 minutes. And after that, you strain it, you leave the rice, and then you take that rice water, and then you keep it in the container. So after that, you're going to take that rice water, you're going to apply it to the hair, and then you're going to massage the scalp. After that, you wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, you rinse it with cool water. So it is like this. How does rice water help prevent hair loss? It is like this. The pH of rice water and the pH of the hair are about the same, so to prevent hair damage. And also, rice water, it contains vitamin B and vitamin E. That vitamin B and vitamin E help to nourish the hair and therefore to prevent hair damage. But the last one, it is also rice water, it contains a carbohydrate which is called inositol. Inositol is a carbohydrate which help to repair damaged hair, and help also help to promote growth of hair. So rice water, it is very important. And rice water, it is beneficial to all women. But if you find that has some allergic effect to you, make sure that you stop it. Don't use it. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.